In starting, we are going to import a surface. Okay.
Okay.
Home, points, point creation tools, and this one is in the last, import points. From here, the plus point, click and go to the file which we want to
Mm-hmm.
import. We have here PNZD file. Select the file and open. Select the format and make a group. Tick here and go here.
Yes.
Click on there and give the name. Points group 1. Okay, it will take some time to import the points. Simply Z1, Z enter, E enter. Okay, these are all points. Okay.
Okay.
From this point, we are going to make surface. Go to the tool space and prospector.
Okay.
Okay, prospector. Here the surface. Click surface. Right click. Create surface. Give the name. Suppose EG surface. Then OK. The new surface is created here. Now we are going to import this all points in this surface which we have made. Simply go to the points group, right click, add, select the point which we have already made, point group 1, apply and OK. Our surface is created here. Select the surface and right click, object viewer. This is our surface. Okay. This is our surface. Please these all points. Okay.
Okay.
In the starting, we will learn about the grading. Okay.
Okay.
This is the most important thing in the civil 3D. It will useful for you in railway also.
Yes.
Suppose here is a land like about 200 at 300. Okay? This is our land. Now we are going to grade this one. Check the elevation. If you hold the cursor now, then you will see the EG surface.
Yes,
161 and here is 168
168.
and here is 184. Then 174. It's, I want mean elevation here. That's why I'm checking this one. 160. 160.
So I think 180 is the maximum. 184.
Maximum, not maximum. The mean elevation.
As a mean elevation. Okay.
250. I'm going for the 170. The elevation will be 170 here. I'm taking. These are 170 elevation I've given to this polyline. Now I am going to make a feature line from this polyline.
Okay.
Okay. Simply go to the taskbar, home taskbar, and go to the feature line. Click to the feature line, then click create feature lines from object.
Object.
What is the written here? Select line, arcs, polyline, or 3D polyline to convert the feature lines. Okay. Select the polyline, then enter. We will left this one as default, and this one is for if we tick this one now, then the polyline will be erased. Otherwise, if we want this polyline, then untick this one.
Okay. And when we change the elevation is 170, that means the four corners elevation will change in 170 when they are same
Okay.
surface.
They will be, it will be a flat surface 170.
Okay, flat surface. Okay.
Okay. I'm going to erase the existing entity. Polyline will be erased. This is our feature line. If you want to check the elevation here now, then we can easily go here, elevation editor. Simply select the feature line and go to the elevation editor and check here. This is our
Okay.
770 elevation is there.
Okay.